to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
So we are live again and we are trying to connect and bring on Sunidhi Chauhan for you guys. Roshni Banerjee, Ridhima, thank you. Afreem Anjum, thank you. Yogendra Waghe, Kaisar Imtiaz, wow.
Sing
Ayushman.
something. He's telling you to.
Okay, so this you'll not get a chance to hear. So, कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखे हैं, कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखेंगे, तुम पास मेरे बस यूं ही रहो, हम साथ तेरे यूं जी लेंगे. Thank you, Ridhima.
And now we're trying to add none other than Sunidhi Chauhan on the live, but she needs to be live with us. I can't seem to find her at this point.
Everybody is asking, where's Amal, Rockstar Amal? Where's Amal? Can you ask Amal, please? Thank you. Thank you all. Seju, thank you so much. Wow. I hope this live session can take you all to the song, to the channel, MWM Entertainment, and you guys listen. Thank you, Fariha, for finding it amazing. I feel good. Thank you, Ankit, Seju. Thanks a lot. I'm still trying to get Sunidhi Chauhan. I think some problem is there, maybe. But then we are here. How do I connect to one of my... Wow. My God. It's crazy. So much love. Thank you. Please save this live. Love you. Okay. This one we will save, yeah, of course. Where is Amal Bhayu? Please send him. Where is he? He's also missing. Oh my God. Look at that. It's like a sea of humanity. Oh, it's crazy. Isme Mehak. My God, thank you. Mimidas 933, Sejal, Suja Chandra Das, Bushra, Pujita. My God. Prisha, Neja. Okay, thank you, Prisha. Arju. Thank you. I usually don't do such long lives, and this is just for the... I'm fine, Prisha. Good. Artistry. Okay, Handsome is jumping on me. He said, what are you doing, Dad? What are you talking to a phone? Talk to me. He's gone inside my legs. Uncle, please sing na Bindya Chamke. Okay. Can you please Thoda Sa Pyar? I've sung so much of Thoda Sa Pyar in Bindya Chamke. Now it's time for Kuch Khab. But anyway, now listen. Thoda sa pyar hua hai, थोड़ा है बाकी, हम तो दिल दे ही चुके, बस तेरी हाँ है बाकी, थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है, थोड़ा है बाकी. बिंदिया चमके चूड़ी खन के लौंग मारे लश्कारे, हम हो गए तुम्हारे. हो रे सजन तो है मारी कसम, मारी मांग मां भर देता रे. Say my name. Okay, your name is Sumaya Sultana 22. There it goes. Happy? Okay. View request. Send a request to be on your live video. Who wants to be on my live video? Anjum. My God. Sumaya. Bushra, thank you, thank you, thank you for all the love. Princess Shreya, thank you. Monica Vaghela, love you guys. Why saw your voices awesome? Really, thank you. And I think awesome voice is part of Arman's domain. So, hi, hi, hi.
Finally!
Just start
Hi!
sitting.
Ha,
आ जाओ.
huh? I'm here. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. I hope everybody else can see.
Can everybody see me? Hi,
Yeah.
hi. Thank you, Arman, for for the instructions.
You. So your network is little slow, but it's okay.
Should I shift to 4G?
देखो,
Maybe
हो रहा
that'll
है?
help.
Could be better.
Some-
Yeah.
Try.
Yeah,
Singer.
I think so.
Yeah.
Hi, hi. Somebody said hi, blurry Arman. We can see
Hi.
you. Okay, everybody can see us.
Yeah, they're saying hi ma'am, hi ma'am, hi ma'am. The beginning you sound hi ma'am.
Hi, everyone. Hope you all are safe and happy at home and
So I
taking
to
good care of yourself.
Kuch Kha for them. He also sing 2 lines. Kuch Kha for them.
Acha, you
And all radio channels are sang 2 lines. I tried.
okay. Hi guys. Hi Rockstar Amal, Bushra, Hasi. It's good weekend. Hi Ridhima. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm gonna sing a few lines. कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखे हैं, कुछ ख्वाब तेरे संग देखेंगे, तुम पास मेरे बस यूं ही रहो, हम साथ तेरे यूं जी लेंगे.
Wow. Wow. Super.
Thank you.
Everybody, yay! Wow! Everybody shouting. Super. Damn good. The magic.
Watching from
the
Toronto.
Magic, yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody, where's Amal? Arman आ गए, Daddy आ गए. Where is Amal?
Full families here.
वो Arman is saying वो कमाल कर रहा है.
Yeah.
वो बाद में and he will say, did you do something on Instagram?
Sorry, I lost you there. I couldn't understand. What did you say?
They are all asking Yara by Yara. This song is a beauty because of its simplicity.
Yeah.
And sir and ma'am, love from Jharkhand. Thank you very much for all your love. Yeah. And I was just thinking how everybody is loving that thing which we incorporated, the past ka hamara video, which is like how many years that should be, that moment?
Easily 15 to 18 years or more, maybe. I'm not sure.
So it just like come from our archives and we have cut that and put, and that's become a highlight. Huh? That past
Yeah.
thing has brought the two worlds together.
Yeah.
And people,
I think it's the way you, blended it together. It's very subtle and it's not, it's looking like a part of the song, like perfectly. It's not out sync or something. It's very nice. I like it too. I'm glad people are like it.
so suddenly, yeah, everybody's song list has already started for you. Sing Mehboob, Mere, and all have started with their list of songs.
No, today we'll just talk about our new song, Kuch Khab, and yeah.
So anyway, somebody's just left Bangalore.
Hi Niam, I remember you very well. Niam over here, who just joined us, he's a very good singer. I met him on The Voice. Niam, yeah, very good singer.
What? Okay. Arman just informed me that everybody should know that the video is on YouTube and that everybody should watch it on MWM Entertainment channel. He's keeping me focused you know, not to deviate from the song and from the channel, so that everybody knows where they have to go. And because we have just started, it is a
Wow.
very small beginning for as a family of musicians getting together. And thank you, Sunidhi, for doing such a wonderful rendition of the song and joining the MWM family. And it is the first major which is happening. And it is something which will be etched in our memories. And for times to come, we are leaving a footprint which will be melodious, beautiful, memorable. So that is the intention of MWM Entertainment, to bring in the music which is may not be recognized by the so-called commercial world, or actually the heart of the people. The audiences are going to listen to pure, unadulterated, independent music, which has the power to touch the hearts of people, and that is the intention of MWM. And Sunidhi has given that beginning with her beautiful rendition. And all everybody out there, you should understand, when we were in thick of all this Corona thing happening, and we were all masked, and we were wearing space suits when we entered the studio, and so scared. The passion was there, and there was a feeling that we need to do, and we were all keeping social distancing of 7 feet. And previous to that, as you see in the last, that it is like magical that 15 years back, and whatever recording that we did, and how we were all like close to each other, bonding each other, and suddenly
Yeah, it's
when this record,
crazy.
we were all, yeah. So
So
keeping
far
all
apart,
those
yeah.
things, the parameters, and and we have Tane did a great job. That studio is really beautiful. The ambience was good when we were recording this current song. And who's that by? Rupak. Rupak.
Yes.
So nice he was when he recorded.
Yeah.
So the
No,
whole
the
team.
experience was awesome.
Yeah. Now, if I keep on talking, Sunidhi, you talk.
No, I just want to say, I've always been a part of this family, you know, from the very beginning, even before MWM. And I'm so glad that finally आपने ये कर लिया. You know, MWM has happened already, and so many good singers, so many good musicians are going to be benefiting from a real, genuine, good source. That's most important. जहाँ पर काफी चीजें क्लियर रहेंगी, और यू नो आजकल जैसा माहौल है उसमें ये राहत है, एक बहुत बड़ी राहत है कि एक ऐसा लेबल जो एक्चुअली म्यूजिक को, रियल म्यूजिक को सपोर्ट करे. जो चल रहा है वो तो है ही अच्छा, लेकिन कुछ मन का भी होता है, कमर्शियल नहीं होता उतना, और वो करने के लिए आपको अगर कहीं जाना है तो दिस इज द प्लेस, बिकॉज पीपल ओवर हियर, डब्बू जी फर्स्ट एंड देन द होल फैमिली, you know, they all are really rooted, and they know the importance of good music being catered to people, how essential and how important it is. So you are in good hands if you join them, and I'm so happy that I was the one to start this whole thing with you, and I'm looking forward to doing a lot more, because जहाँ मन होता है वहाँ पे काम अच्छा ही होता है और मजा आता है, और हमें अब लाइफ में मजे ही करने हैं. इससे बड़ी चीज नहीं हो सकती थी. I mean, this pandemic has taught us everything. There are bigger things, and you have to eventually go back to your roots. You have to go back to your own self, and what you actually feel right about, what your instinct, what your inner voice says to you. You should follow that. And I think this time has taught us all that. And yeah, so it's a good beginning for everybody.
Very. So there's a small story somebody narrated to me. I really feel these times I should share it with everyone who's here. And that story was like a very rich father, very powerful man took his young child, to outskirt, to a village, and wanted to show him how poor people are living. And he showed a family of the people working on the farmland, how difficult their place, how difficult everything was there. And the young child saw all that, and the father asked him, "के तुमने ये सब देख के क्या सीखा?" And he said, "कि मैंने ये सीखा कि how poor we are." तो बोले, तो the father was shocked. He says कि हमारे घर में स्विमिंग पूल है, इनके पास पूरी नदी है.
Yeah.
हमारे पास टीवी है और लैपटॉप और कंप्यूटर्स हैं, इनके पास दोस्त हैं और फैमिली है.
क्या बात.
तो हमारे पास हमारे घर में पालते हैं. If you have pet dogs and we have got one or two, they have got more than 20 in
Yeah.
farmlands. So
Yeah.
ultimately, he said they have fresh. We have lights and gizmotics in the house, but they have got stars and the moons in the
Yeah.
evening. Child observation was what we have understood in today's times. We have learned being in the
Yeah.
real world, being out there, being as simple as possible, and sharing our, whatever best we can do for people around and show love, compassion, help, donate. And that is what should be the future of mankind. We all should be for each other, and
Absolutely.
love is what should be there for everybody. So I think we should end this session now.
End it, but sing something and end it.
Sing.
You sing 2 lines of Kuch Khaab, let us sing 2 lines of Kuch Khaab and end it.
Okay, मैं तो lyrics ही भूल रहा था. मेरे को अरमान वो बता रहा था क्या.
भूल जाता हूँ.
अच्छा, you sing the Antara, you remember or no?
Ah,
Lage,
why won't I remember my Yantra?
then I can join in the sign before signing off.
Okay. लगने लगे हो तुम मुझको जरूरी, तेरे बिना है ये सांसें अधूरी, तुमसे इजाजत मांगे है हर पल, चलने से पहले दिल की धड़कन.
Okay.
Very nice.
Guys. Thank you, Sunidhi. Thank you, everyone who came to this live.
Thank you. Love you. Thank you.
Hey.
Bye. See you.
बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.